Passive Robo-advisor for investing. Honest review? Watch before using. Passiv is a robo-advisor designed for hands-off investors who want to automate portfolio management while keeping full control of their brokerage accounts. Unlike traditional robo-advisors that take custody of your funds, Passiv connects to your brokerage and streamlines rebalancing, dividend reinvestment, and contribution management. It's particularly useful for DIY investors who follow a passive investing strategy with ETFs or stocks but don't want to manually adjust allocations. The platform integrates with brokers like TD Ameritrade, Interactive Brokers, and Questrade, allowing users to turn their brokerage into an automated investment tool. The free version provides basic tracking and portfolio monitoring, while the premium plan, Passiv Elite, adds one-click trade execution and advanced rebalancing features. Who is Passiv for? It's ideal for long-term investors who prefer a passive strategy but want to maintain flexibility. If you follow a model portfolio or dollar-cost averaging approach, Passiv eliminates the hassle of manual trades. However, it's not a traditional robo-advisor with AI-driven strategies. It won't optimize asset allocation for you. Instead, it automates execution based on your preset targets. The biggest advantage is control. You decide your allocation, and Passiv ensures your portfolio stays aligned. It's also great for investors managing multiple accounts or portfolios, as it offers consolidated tracking across accounts. Now the downsides. First, broker support is limited. While Passiv works with major platforms, it doesn't integrate with every broker, meaning some investors might not be able to use it. Second, while automation is useful, it still requires users to set targets and understand basic investment principles. It's not beginner-friendly in the way that robo-advisors like Wealthfront or Betterment are. Third, while the free plan is decent, the real value comes with the Elite plan, which requires a subscription. If you don't want to pay for automation, manual rebalancing might still be the better option. So should you use Passiv? If you're a DIY investor who wants automation without giving up control, it's a solid choice. It's best for those who already understand portfolio allocation and want a tool to simplify execution. However, if you're looking for an AI-driven advisor that picks assets for you, this isn't it. Overall, Passiv is a great tool for disciplined passive investors who want to streamline their process. Just make sure your broker is supported before signing up.